Reward apps don't stop working when you travel, but your earning options often change depending on location, internet access, and what offers are available in that region. By the end of this, you'll know 5 types of reward apps that still work while traveling, how payouts actually get processed on the road, and what usually breaks or limits earnings outside your home country. Start with what changes when you travel. Most reward apps rely on location-based advertisers. That means the offers you see, and sometimes even your payout options, can shift depending on the country you're in. So the app stays the same, but the earning opportunities don't. First category is survey reward apps with global access. These apps work in many countries, but survey availability changes depending on advertiser demand in your region. Second category is game reward apps with international offers. These apps usually still function while traveling, but some game campaigns are only available in specific countries, which affects earning consistency. Third category is cashback shopping apps with multi-region support. These apps can still reward you abroad if you shop through partnered stores that operate internationally or support global transactions. Fourth category is microtask platforms. These apps often work well while traveling, because tasks are digital and don't depend heavily on physical location. But task volume can vary by region. Fifth category is ad and offer-based reward apps. These apps depend heavily on local advertisers, so the number of available earning opportunities can drop when you switch regions. Now here's what actually affects whether these apps are usable while traveling. Location verification is one factor. Some apps restrict offers if your IP address doesn't match your account region. Payment method compatibility is another factor. Not all payout options work internationally in the same way. And offer availability matters the most. Even if the app works, fewer active campaigns mean slower earning potential. So earning while traveling isn't about finding a special app. It's about using apps that still have active offers in the region you're in. Summary: reward apps can work while traveling, but earnings depend on regional offers, location checks, and payment compatibility. The app stays the same, but the opportunities change by country. Next step: test one reward app in your current location and compare available offers before and after traveling to see how much your earning options actually change. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.